Hi, what's your name?
My name is Joa.
Where are you from?
I am from Kulna.
What work do you do?
I am a teacher.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I like my job because it's very interesting.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is red.
What's the color you dislike?
I don't like brown
Why?
because I find it very dull and boring.
What colors do your friends like most?
Most of my friends like blue, red, black, and pink.
What color makes you uncomfortable in your room?
In my room, black makes me uncomfortable. I like lighter colors on my room walls as they make my room look brighter.
Do you like to wear dark or bright colors?
I like the dark or bright colors on winters, but in summers I like to wear light shades.
Do colors affect your mood?
Yes, colours affect my mood. When I see you bright colours, I feel energetic, but light shades make me feel calm.
Did color matter to you when you were a child?
Yes, color mattered to me when I was a child. My mother tells me I always wanted things in red color. My school bag was always red and my clothes also had shades of red.
Does color matter when you buy things?
Yes, definitely. Color is very important while shopping. I like my clothes in light pastel shades, but household items like bed sheets and dinner sets in bright shades.
Which color you don't like to have in your home?
I like all colors, but I wouldn't like gray on the walls of my house, because I find gray to be a dull color.
What is the difference between men's and women's preference on colors?
I think blue is the most popular color for men, while women prefer pink, purple, and white.
How color is important in our life?
Color influences how we experience the world around us. Color is so much more than meets the eye. Color impacts our moods, stimulates our minds, and influences how we feel about products and the companies that make them.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more video.